Oh wow! Vada Pav is not just a snack, it's an emotion. Here, you also take a bite, guys. Come on, don't be shy. If you can feel this flavor through the screen, you are already in love with Vada Pav. So let's make this magic from scratch. First thing first, potatoes go into the pressure cooker, and while these are getting perfectly boiled, I'm making a masala which is the real soul of Vada Pav. Take handful of fresh coriander leaves, green chilies as per your taste, then add Kashmiri red chili powder. It will give a very nice vibrant red color. Always check the box. It should clearly say Kashmiri red chili powder. Then wash, peel and add 1 inch piece of ginger. Then add salt as per your taste and that's it. Do not add any water and blend everything together. Remember it should be coarse and not like a fine paste. Alright, so this is done. Oops, that aroma just hit straight into your soul. Strong, fresh, spicy, absolutely perfect. So look at this texture, absolutely coarse and grainy, not pasty. Alright, so let's check our potatoes once. Perfect, these are also done. Still hot, but totally worth it. Now we need to mash the potatoes. I like grating boiled potatoes. It makes mashing super easy, but you can mash them any way you prefer. Now let's bring everything together. So heat some oil in a kadai. And guys, I forgot to capture this part, but I have added a pinch of asafoetida or hing and mustard seeds or rye. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds, fresh curry leaves. I like tearing them, but you can add them whole too. And here goes our star masala. Saute everything on high flame for about 2 minutes. Let all those flavors wake up and dance together. Saute for a couple of minutes and then add all the mashed potatoes. Mix everything really well. Add some salt as needed. You can always taste and adjust it. Then fry this on high flame for around 5 minutes. When it starts sticking to the pan, that's your sign it's ready. Now let's quickly prepare the batter. Take 2 heaped teaspoons of chickpea flour or besan. Add around 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per taste. I'm also adding a very small pinch of baking soda. This is completely optional, guys. Next goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix all the dry ingredients first and then start adding water little by little. We need a thick batter, not runny and absolutely lump free. See, this is how it should look like. When the batter falls from the spoon, it should drop like a ribbon. This texture is perfect. So look, our stuffing and batter are ready. So now let's shape the vadas. Grease your palms with a little oil. Take a small portion of potato mixture and roll it into a ball. You can flatten it slightly if you like. That's completely your choice. I've shaped all the vadas and kept them ready. Now heat oil in a pan. Before frying the vadas, we'll do 2 small but important steps. First, dip a spoon into the batter and let small droplets fall into the hot oil. Fry these until crisp. These droplets are going to be used later for the dry red chutney, a very important part of the Vada Pav. Next, fry a few green chilies. They add so much flavor and are almost a must with Vada Pav. Once both are done, take them out and keep them aside. Now carefully dip each vada into the batter and coat it properly. Gently slide it into hot oil. Fry on medium flame, turning occasionally until golden brown from all the sides. Once done, take them out and keep it aside. Similarly, I have fried all the vadas. Now the last and very important step, the red dry chutney. Vada Pav is incomplete without it. So dry roast about half a cup peanuts and let them cool completely. Transfer it into a blender jar and add 1-inch piece of ginger. Add those fried besan droplets we prepared earlier. Half a teaspoon cumin seeds. You can also use roasted cumin powder here. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Also add half teaspoon red chili powder. Now blend everything together into a coarse masala and our Vada Pav masala is ready. Alright, so everything is ready here. So we have the pavs or the dinner rolls or ladi pav, whatever you call it. We have the vadas, fried hot vadas, fried green chilies and then green chutney, the red masala. So let's start assembling the vada pavs. Take a pav or dinner roll and gently make a cavity in between. You can do this step with the help of a knife or just like that, like I am doing. Spread green chutney on the base, spread it generously. Then on the top part, I am adding a little ketchup. You can also use tamarind chutney if you have or tomato chutney if you prefer. Then sprinkle 2 teaspoons of red masala over it and then place the hot vada inside. Over it add a fried green chili and sprinkle some more masala on top. And that's it guys, homemade vada pav is absolutely ready. You can toast it lightly on a tawa or enjoy it just like this. Serve it with a cup of tea by the side or enjoy just like that. If you like this recipe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.